I got a serious problem with Africans, man. Like, I'm an African too. I'm an African American, but you can't tell Africans that who think we watered down because we're in the United States, or they say we got an easier life. Man, it's not my motherfucking fault. My ancestors jumped on the damn boat. That's not my fault. That's not my fault at all. I'm over here now. It's over. It's done with. But don't treat me like I'm nothing. You know, I love everybody, black, white, Hispanic. I treat everybody with respect. But Africans do not like black Americans, man. They think we all fucked up because you got some black people robbing and killing all that shit. I understand that. You got white people robbing and killing too. But you all praise the hell out of some white people like they God. That's what I don't understand. But I do not shop in your all store for the simple fact that your all stores be nasty as fuck. Y'all have kids walking around with no motherfucking shoes on, with diapers and shit, dried up slob and shit from their mouth, been there for like 3 or 4 days. And then your goddamn store smell like booty juice and old mayonnaise packages and shit from McDonald's. And then you want to talk about you don't like me? Then you're Nigerians, you don't like me? What? What have I done to you for your store to be smelling like ass, booty, and popcorn at the same damn time? That shit do not go together. So you need to try to work this shit out so we all can become together as one and have some kind of unity. Don't dislike me for shit that you see over in your country, the propaganda and the media give you over in Africa. Then you come over here and think all black Americans are the same. That's bullshit. Then your African man come over here. I don't have nothing about interracial couples, but you come over here and find the biggest white woman you can find. You won't find a sexy, nice body white woman. You'll find a big one. If you're gonna date a white woman, date one that's got a nice body. Don't just pick one out the crowd when you get off the plane like I want that one right there. You pick her out because she's the biggest thing you see. You don't see the slim one that look real athletic. You pick the one out that's big as a motherfucker, and then you want to not like me?